Without naming names, you came to a chamber lunch and saw an individual who was
Yeah.
the opposing. Share with us what happened and what was said.
Well, this is actually a story that I told when you asked me to speak at the November Chamber Luncheon last year, which I think was the 100th luncheon at Faith Hall. And my topic was on relationships. So there was a gentleman I had only seen once before in the courtroom as the opposing party. I had represented his former wife. And I walked into the chamber, set my stuff down on the table, and was about to walk over to the buffet line, and I looked up and there was this gentleman, and he said to me, "Tom Marks, do you remember me?" And I said, "Yes, I do. How are you?" And I walked around the table to shake his hand, not sure if he was going to shake my hand or not, and he did. And he said, "You remember the last time we saw each other, you were grilling me on the witness stand under cross-examination." And I said, "Yes, I do remember that." He said, "But there was just one thing that I regret from that day." And I said, "What's that?" And he said, "That you weren't my lawyer." And that just changed everything. He's an incredibly gifted financial advisor. He's a Christian. And so I said, "Why don't we have lunch and just kind of get to know each other a little better?" And he said, "Sure." And he and I become friends. I've referred cases to him. He's referred cases to me. That's the thing about the Christian Chamber that I love so much. It's about building relationships. It's not about just going there to try to get business. It's about, that's why I've stayed there for 15 years, is it now? Wow. I don't miss a chamber luncheon if I possibly can avoid it. And I just love going in and being with God's people, and I built so many great relationships there. My banker, our printer, insurance, I mean, it's just, I know you didn't ask this, but I'm going to say I'm a huge fan and proponent of the Christian Chamber.
I appreciate that. Well, Tom, thank you so much for taking the time to do this, and you are indeed an honest attorney.
Well, I appreciate it, Mark. Thank you so much.
Thank you.